So I'm going to show you how to work Feedly. This is my first time using it, and it was pretty cool exploring it. Like, it's like different from other social medias I use, like sometimes like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. And I think it's cool because like it has interest feeds. So like I like clicked on like cookbooks, like fashion, New York Times, stuff about relationships, like Rolling Stone. I'm gonna click on cookbooks, so that's what I found more interesting. And it's pretty cool is that I can look at recipes, like say if I want like veggie burgers or like if I want to cook at home, and it's pretty cool instead of spending money and going out when I can be spending the same price. And then my second one to click on is what I like to is the fashionista, and I like to see like all what people wear, like celebrities, see if like I could copy looks for cheaper, and I think it's pretty cool, especially like how like different styles will appear. And it's cool because I think it's awesome. Click on an article I think it was really interesting. For example, how Rihanna rejected Super Bowl halftime show in support for Colin Kaepernick. I think it's pretty cool that how she's like standing up for himself, and like it's a big topic to show like she's standing for what she believes in. And I think it's also really cool, like especially at Super Bowl halftime, it's a big time show to do, and she rejected it because of her beliefs. And I'm going to save this article for later so I can read about later how she wanted to decline for the Super Bowl halftime show in support of the national anthem for protesting. So basically, my personal feed is all about what I like and everything, and I also have my social media marketing, which is about Quick Sprout, Seth Godin's blog, and Nick Sal's. Honestly, Feedly is probably a really cool website to use because it keeps me updated on things I like and things I want to hear about, which like I wouldn't really see on Twitter because Twitter is more like near the election and everything. And I honestly I use this more than I would use my other social media sites, and then I never really thought I would. And for my read for later tab is I have one from the Rolling Stone about Rihanna, and the other one about how to make a cherry tomato spaghetti, which I thought was really interesting and cool to try. And it's also too, it's cool is now you can do filters, like you can mute whichever one you don't want to do or you don't want to see about because maybe it's just not something you want to see. And another cool one is definitely about how Feedly is definitely one of my top favorite social medias to use now, and I'm definitely going to use it more in the future than I think that I would never expect myself to see.